Hi, I'm David Stokes for Sustainable Ireland. I'm talking to Director John Martin from Green Energy Technology based in Warringstown. They have an extensive showroom. Maybe, John, you could talk us through what does the showroom include?
Well, thank you for coming to visit us here at Green Energy. In our showroom we have a wide range of renewable energy products. We have working models of all the different types of systems. This gives the customer a better indication of what to expect when they install a renewable energy product, how to service it, maintain it, and increase its efficiency in working life. There's a wide range from biomass equipment, which can be your basic log stove. You have log boilers, wood chip boilers, and wood pellet boilers and stoves. There's also the storage solutions for the different fuels. There are heat pumps. You can have ground source, which is geothermal, or air source heat pumps, a modern way of heating your house. You can link that into wind turbines and photovoltaic panels, which is turning the sun's light into electricity. Which means you can have a totally self-sustainable house that you're providing your own heat and your own power. You can also back everything up with solar tubes, hot water system, which give about 4 to 5 months of the year you'll have all your hot water supplied by solar for free, which is proving very popular. Contrary to myths in this country that we don't get enough sunshine, it works off different types of light as well as heat, so the systems do perform.
Installing renewables can initially be expensive. What is the payback time and why would I want to invest in that?
Traditionally, renewable technologies are more expensive than their conventional counterparts. The payback, depending on technology and performance, is going to be in the region of 3 to 5 years. It can be slightly higher on specialist pieces of renewable technology. The main advantages are it's obviously kinder for the environment. Typical biomass systems are over 90% less CO2 produced than conventional oil and fossil fueled systems. The benefit to the environment, the cheaper running costs and local produced fuel, which makes the systems much more attractive. Everybody's doing their bit for the environment, reducing their carbon footprint. Houses, new builds, can qualify for zero rates. If they build to a level of a low carbon building, they will receive zero rates for 2 years. If they build a house to a level of a zero carbon building, they will receive free rates for 5 years, which is a good incentive to the homeowner to spend the extra money initially on getting the renewable technology. There's also talks of incentives, government incentives being introduced within the next year to assist and give it's like the European trend where they are giving you a small grant each year over the next 15-20 years to encourage you to have the uptake of renewable energy technologies and be more sustainable.
John Martin, thank you very much indeed.
Thank you very much. Biomass fuel. Biomass is basically anything derived from plant or animal material. The most common one obviously is wood, one of man's oldest fuels that he's been burning for hundreds and hundreds of years. Typically you can have wood logs like this. These are briquettes, heat logs, which are compressed sawdust and shavings. Very popular for multi-fuel stoves, little wood burning stoves. You also have then wood chip, which is the short rotation willow, all chipped up and dried. This is typically used in industrial type installations, like the Eco Village down at Lisburn. You then have wood which is processed into wood pellets. This is very popular for the domestic market as it's easy to handle. It's manufactured locally by Balcas in Enniskillen, and very high calorific value wood fuel, and works out at about 40% cheaper than oil.
And obviously you're a company that practices what you preach.
Yes, at Green Energy here we have installed one of the first solar tracker systems in Northern Ireland. It is a German system with sharp PV panels on it. It produces 6 kilowatts of electricity. It starts in the east in the morning and is satellite guided, that it rotates and follows the sun all day. It gives a 30 to 40% increase in output rather than being roof mounted. Currently it is producing about 60% of our electricity requirement here at the new showroom and offices. This is the short rotation coppice willow trees. They are chipped up, and then we dry them here. We force air up through and dry them, and this makes a great quality locally produced fuel, which is transported down to Lisburn to the eco village. 358 houses heated by one central district heating scheme. The Carvel Group made the new buildings down there, and customers are happy. There's over 30% saving on their heating bills, and very environmentally friendly.
Also a big grower of willow.
Yes, we started to grow short rotation coppice willow here in 2005. We could see the need for new energy resources in Ireland. Instead of importing 97% of our energy needs, we can grow it locally. This field of willow was harvested last year. This is 1 year's regrowth. It will be a further 2 years before this is harvested again. But what it does mean, it is totally sustainable fuel in that it's being grown every year and harvested every 3 years. We have fresh fuel on board here every year. Totally sustainable and grows very well to Northern Ireland conditions.
So John, what makes your company different from the competition?
At Green Energy Technology here, we have acquired a unique experience and database of systems of all technologies. We have worked from small scale stuff up to large commercial industrial applications. We have built this purpose-built showroom with working models where customers can come and see. We have all the information here on savings, on paybacks, on maintenance costs, on servicing. We provide the full package from design through to commissioning. Employ all our own trained staff. We have been at factories abroad where we have been trained extensively on the systems, and we believe it gives us a unique edge in that we can guarantee our work, quality of products, and deliver what customers are expecting to receive from a renewable energy system.